Question 1. The largest continent by area is option A Africa, B Asia, C Europe, D South America. The right option is A. The largest continent by area is Asia. Question 2. The largest continent by population is option A Africa, B Asia, C Europe, D North America. The right answer is the largest continent by population is Asia. Third question is the smallest continent by area is option A Africa, B Australia, C North America, D Antarctica. The smallest continent by area is Australia. The smallest continent by population is option A Africa, Australia, North America, Antarctica. The smallest continent by population is Antarctica. The largest country by population is option A Brazil, B India, C China, D Indonesia. The largest country by population is China. The smallest country by population is option A Vatican City, option B Panama, C Qatar, D Cuba. The smallest country by population is Vatican City. 7. The largest ocean of the world is Atlantic, Indian, Pacific, and Arctic. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific. The smallest ocean of the world is Atlantic, Indian, Pacific Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The smallest ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean. The cleanest city of the world is A. New York, B. Tokyo, C. Copenhagen, D. Singapore. The cleanest city of the world is Singapore. The longest river of the world is A. Amazon, Indus, Ganges, Nile. The longest river of the world is Nile.
Evet.